Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have truly a childhood special that I've been wanting to eat and I've been missing it like crazy, and today I've come out with that recipe. It's keto low carb chicken nuggets with the perfect breading and crispy, crunchy and soft inside. I've done two methods, double dipping and single dipping. So I'm showing you both and doing a taste test. I'm excited to taste them myself. So here they are. I want to show you. The perfect chicken nuggets. These are the double dipped ones. Here it goes in my sugar-free ketchup. Oh my goodness gracious me. And these are the single dipped. You'll see in the video what I mean. I think I prefer the single dipped, but you let me know what you like. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take 2 chicken breasts and I'm roughly chopping them up and putting them into a high-speed blender. You can also use a normal blender. Now I add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a few chili flakes, and of course half a teaspoon of salt. You can even go up to 1 teaspoon. Give the chicken breast a good blend along with all the herbs and spices, and now I'm shaping them up into the look of chicken nuggets. Now in another bowl I'm cracking in 1 egg, and in another bowl I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of almond flour and 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder whole. I've whisked the eggs, and now I'm going to dip the chicken nuggets first in the egg, then in the psyllium husk almond flour mixture, and that's how you get that perfect breading. Now I'm also going to double dip. The ones in the plate are single dipped and the other ones are double dipped. Double dip just means that you put it in the egg mixture again and roll it in the flour mixture again. Now I've put them into the deep fryer, and you have to wait till they become a beautiful golden brown. It should not take more than 3-4 minutes because your chicken is already well mashed. And here they are, the crunchiest and yummilicious keto low carb chicken nuggets. Do enjoy this recipe. It's a childhood favorite, and thanks for watching. Bye then.